गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स। आज हम लोग अपनी इस नई वीडियो में पढ़ेंगे एक्टिवेशन फंक्शन। प्रीवियस वीडियो में हमने सिर्फ न्यूरल नेटवर्क पढ़े थे, जो कि हमारे थे कि हमारे पास इनपुट्स था। हम प्रोसेसिंग एलिमेंट्स में इनपुट को वेट से मल्टीप्लाई करके 22 से ऐड करके आउटपुट जनरेट कर देते हैं। बट हमने कहीं पे भी ट्रिगर नहीं किया था, एक्टिवेट नहीं किया था अपने न्यूरॉन्स को, बिकॉज हमने वहाँ पे एक्टिवेशन फंक्शन नहीं यूज़ किया था। इस वीडियो में हम जो पढ़ेंगे वो एक्टिवेशन फंक्शन का कॉन्सेप्ट पढ़ेंगे। Activation functions are the mathematical equations that determine the output of a neural network. The function is attached to each neuron in the network and determine whether it should be activated or not. Neurons of each neural networks, it being activated or not depends upon the activation function which we use in our model. Activation function also helps to normalize the output of each neuron to the range between 1 and 0 or between -1 and +1. We can have the processing all the rest. We have to reduce the normalize the database between 1 and 0 range or -1 and +1. So basically what a neural network does is, we can see here in this diagram, we take the input x1, x2, x3 and multiply with the weight associated with that, and we add the bias value also. Then we use the activation function to produce the output to the next layer of neuron. And we now have three types of basic activation functions, that is binary step activation function, linear activation function and non-linear activation function. Binary step function is a threshold based activation function. If the value of the input increase by certain threshold, it is activated and send exactly the same signal to the next layer. You can see here, this is a threshold value, which is, if the value is more than the threshold value, then it should be sent to the next layer. If it is less, it can be stopped. The problem with the function is that it does not allow multiple values output. For example, it cannot support classifying the input into several categories, because we cannot have always the same threshold value output. So sometimes it can be not able to produce the output for that. So next we have the linear activation function, that takes in the form of A is equals to Cx. See, this is a graph for that. It's a form of A is equals to Cx. It takes the input and multiply by the weight for each neuron and creates an output signal proportional to the input. In one sense, linear function is better than a step function because it allows multiple output basis on the weight, and then it creates the output signal. So what is the two major problems are with the linear function activation function is that it was not possible to use backpropagation, because in backpropagation we have to derivate the function in a constant and no relation to the input x. So it is not possible to go back and understand which weight is the input neuron can provide a better prediction. We have to go back in proportional neural network. We have process and we have trained the output. We go back and check the weight which is not proper, which is better to provide a prediction. So this happens in the backpropagation algorithm. You can study the backpropagation algorithm in the next video. All layers of the neural network collapse into one with the help of linear activation function. No matter how many layers in the neural network, the last layer will be a linear function of the first layer. Combination of linear function is still a linear function. So a linear function returns the neural network in just one layer. Neural network with a linear activation function is simply a linear regression model. So what is the important point over here is, a neural network with a linear activation function is simple a linear regression model. It has limited power and ability to handle complexity, varying parameter of input data. Next we have nonlinear activation function. Modern neural network uses nonlinear activation function. They allows to create complex They allow to create complex mapping between the network inputs and the output, which are essential for learning and modeling the complex data such as image, video, audio, and data set, which are non-linear or have high dimensionality. Almost any process imaginable can be represented as function computation in a neural network, provided that the activation function is non-linear. Non-linear activation function address the problem of linear activation. They allows the backpropagation, which is not possible in the linear activation function. They have the derivative function, which is related to the input. They allow stacking of multiple layer of neurons to allow the deep neural network. Multiple hidden layers to neuron are needed to learn complex data set with the high level of accuracy. Hope the concept of activation function, theoretical concept of activation function, is being clear to you all. In the next video we will study the numerical basis on this activation function. Thank you for watching this video.